Hello kawamat! So ang i-discuss natin ngayon ay tungkol sa operation and functions. So bago natin i-discuss yung operation and function, konting review muna tayo about the operation of algebraic expression. For adding and subtracting algebraic expression, una, we need to find the least common denominator. So yun munang unang gagawin natin, hanapin natin yung LCD if given the fractions. We write the fraction as equivalent fraction with the same LCD. The LCD is the denominator of the resulting fraction. And last, the sum or difference of the numerator is the numerator of the resulting fraction. So ito yung apat na steps na gagawin natin how to add or subtract algebraic expression. First, magbibigay ako ng unang halimbawa. Find the sum of 1/3 and 2/5. So, add lang natin yung 1/3 and 2/5. So, gamit kanina yung steps na binanggit. So, kukunin natin yung LCD ng 3 and 5. And then the LCD is 15. So, ang ginagawa natin to add, gamit yung LCD. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, yung 15, i-divide natin sa 2. Ulit, gamit yung LCD, i-divide natin, first divide natin sa 2. So, 15, this is 3, should be 3. Okay, ulitin ko, 15 divide 3 times 1. Yun ang mangyayari dyan. 15 divide 3, that is 5 times 1. So, ang sagot natin ay 5. 15 divide 5, that is 3 times 2, 6. So since same na yung LCD natin, so ang gagawin na lang natin, add natin yung numerator and then copy the denominator. So therefore, the final answer is 11/15. Susunod na halimbawa, find the sum of 1/x minus 3 and 2/x minus 5. Ano kaya ang LCD dyan? So the LCD is x minus 3 and x minus 5. So kapag in-express natin yan, so that is, the product of this is x squared minus 8x plus 15. Pero wag na muna natin expand yung x minus 10, x minus 5. So ito lang muna gagamitin natin. So same process kanina ang ginawa natin. Okay. So dito in-expand na natin yung sagot. So same process kanina. So i-divide natin yung bawat isa sa x minus 3 and x minus 5. Okay. Makinig mabuti. X squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 3. So ito yun, no? Itong dalawa na ito. So mawawala yung x minus 3. Ang matitira na lang dyan, x minus 5. So times natin sa 1. So ang natira is x minus 5 plus, ito naman, i-divide natin sa x minus 5. Maka-cancel yung x minus 5. So ang matitira natin dyan, x minus 3 times 2. So magiging 2 times x minus 3. So first, add muna natin yung numerator. X minus 5 plus, distribute natin to sa loob, 2 times x, 2x, 2 times negative 3, negative 6. So ito na yon, x minus 5 plus 2x minus 6 all over x squared minus 8x plus 15. Therefore, the final answer, okay, add or combine the similar terms. So x plus 2x is 3x, negative 5 minus 6 is negative 11, all over x squared minus 8x plus 15. Okay. So yan yung for adding and subtracting algebraic expression. Paano naman kapag sa multiplication? Ito naman yung mga rules. Rewrite the numerator and denominator in terms of each prime factors. Common factors in the numerator and denominator can be simplified as this is often called cancelling. So nagka-cancel tayo dito sa multiplication. Multiply the numerators together to get the numerator. And lastly, multiply the denominator together to get the new denominator. So, yan yung apat na susundan natin kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng algebraic expression. Halimbawa, find the product of 10 over 21 and 15 over 8. Okay, pwede tayo gumamit ng cancellation dito. Or, you can express the numerators and denominators of the two fraction into their prime factors. So, ano ba yung mga prime factors ng 21 saka 8? Multiply and cancel out common factors in the numerator and denominator to reduce the final answer to lowest term. So, the prime factors of 10 is 2 and 5. So, that will be 2 times 5. Yung 21 naman, 3 times 7. Yung 15, 3 times 5. And yung 8, pwede natin ilagay as 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. Sabi kanina, pwede tayo mag-cancellation dyan. So, therefore, ma-cancel natin dyan yung, okay, yung 2, yung 3, yun lang. So, ang maiwan sa numerator is yung 5. 5 times 5, that will be 25. Sa denominator naman, we have 7 times 2 times 2, that is 28. So, the final answer is 25 over 28. Another example, find the product of x squared minus 4x minus 5 all over x squared minus 3x and x squared minus 5x plus 6 all over x squared minus 3x minus 10. So lahat trinomial ang given. So anong gagawin natin? You need to express the numerators and denominators of the two fraction into their prime factors. Okay, pwede ito by factoring, no? Ipa-factor out natin. Multiply and cancel out common factors in the numerator and denominator to reduce the final answer to lowest term. Note the similarity in the process between this example and the previous one on fraction. No? Parehas lang din naman yung gagawin. Yun nga lang, this one we need to factor out bago tayo mag-cancellation. So, yung x squared minus 4x minus 5, pag pinactor out natin yan, it will become x plus 1 times x minus 5. X squared minus 3x plus 2, pag pinactor out, x minus 2 times x minus 1 times. Yung x squared minus 5x plus 6, yung factor niyan is x minus 2 times x minus 3. Yung x squared minus 3x minus 10, yung factor niyan is x minus 5 times x plus 2. So makikita nyo, pwede na tayo mag-cancellation dyan. So ano mga-cancel natin? So mga-cancel natin yung x minus 5, x minus 2. So therefore, ang naiwan na lang as numerator is x plus 1 times x minus 3. And sa denominator, we have x minus 1 and x plus 2. Or, pag in-express nyo to, yung factor nito, that is x squared minus 2x minus 3 all over x squared plus x minus 2. So, yan yung final answer natin. Okay, so another is for division of algebraic expression. To divide two fraction or rational expression, multiply the dividend with the reciprocal of the divisor. For example, divide 3/4 and 7 over 16. So, anong gagawin? Get the reciprocal of 7 over 16 and proceed to multiplication. 3/4 times 16 over 7. So, 16 sa kasi 4, pwede natin i-get the lowest term, no? That is by 4, no? So, therefore, the final answer is 3 times 4, 12 over 7. So, ulitin lang natin kapag division, get the reciprocal of the dividend and, no, reciprocal of the divisor and proceed to multiplication. Okay? So, review lang yan para masundan nyo yung operation of function. Now, let's proceed to our topic, the operation on function. Let f and g be function. Their sum, denoted by f plus g, is the function defined by f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Their difference, denoted by f minus g, is the function defined by f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Their product, denoted by f times g, is the function defined by f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Oh, kulang yan. That will be f of x times g of x. Next, their quotient, denoted by f over g, is the function defined by f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x, excluding the values of x where g of x is equal to 0. Again, so this is now the four fundamental operation, no? The operation on function. Okay, let's proceed for the examples. I'll give you a set of given function. So marami to. O, yan ang gagamitin natin. First, determine the function v plus g of x. So, ibig sabihin, i-add natin yung function ni v of x saka ni g of x. So, ano ba yung given function ni v of x? Ito yon, x squared plus 5x plus 4 plus g of x. Ano yung g of x natin? X squared plus 2x minus 8. Now, ano ang ginagawa kapag ganito na? Combine similar terms. So, paano natin ginagawa yon? Sinisimulan. Okay, inuuna natin yung may pinakamataas na exponent base sa arrangement, no? So, since 2 ang may mataas na exponent at dito meron din, pagsasamahin natin yung dalawa na to. So, x squared plus x squared is 2x squared. Ano ang kasunod? 5x plus 2x, that is 7x. And last, 4 minus 8 is negative 4. So therefore, the final answer is 2x squared plus 7x minus 4. Okay, malinaw tayo sa example number 1. Let's proceed for the next example. Multiplication. We need to multiply the given function f of x, ito yon, times p of x. So, ita-times natin si x plus 3 times 2x minus 7. So, ang sikat na sikat na ginagamit nyo dito is yung FOIL method. So, the first term, we need to multiply x times 2x, that is 2x squared. Next, the outer term, x times negative 7 is negative 7x. The inner term, 3 times 2x, that is positive 6x. And then the last term, 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. So, hindi pa yun yung final answer. Combine similar terms. So, ano i-combine natin dito? Ito, ang dalawa. So, ang 2x squared, copy na lang natin. So, negative 7x plus 6x is negative x minus 21. So, this is the final answer. More example. Determine the function f plus h of x. So, ibig sabihin, i-add natin yung function f of x na x plus 3 plus sa function ng h of x. So, meron tayong binomial plus the rational, no? Ano ang gagawin? So, kapag ganyan, sabi kanina, kapag nag-a-add tayo ng algebraic expression, kinukuha natin yung LCD. So, anong LCD dito? Of course, that is 2 minus x. So, gagamitin natin si 2 minus x and then, para hindi kayo nahihirapan sa ganitong proseso, so both side, so yung x plus 3 plus yung lahat ng to, itong dalawa na to, yung rational na to, imumultiply natin sa 2 minus x. So ito muna, 2 minus x times x plus 3, that is, okay, so ibig sabihin, kinancel out na natin to, no? Ma-cancelled out yung nandito. So maiiwan yung x plus 7. Pero ito, we need to multiply using FOIL method. So that is 2 minus x times x plus 3 plus, idudugtong na natin yung x plus 7 all over yung LCD natin na 2 minus x. So gamit si FOIL method, the answer for 2 minus x times x plus 3 is 2x plus 6 minus x squared minus 3x plus x plus 7. So, hindi pa yan yung final answer. Aayusin natin yung arrangement ng sagot nyo. Since meron tayong pinakamataas na exponent, which is 2, so siya yung mauuna. That will become negative x squared. And then, pagsamahin natin si 2x minus 3x plus x. 2x minus 3x, negative x plus x, 0. So, hindi na nawala na. Ito na lang, 6 plus 7, 13. Ayaw natin na negative yung nasa unahan, no? So, anong gagawin natin? Imumultiply natin to sa negative 1. Okay, both numerator and denominator. So, kapag minultiply natin sa negative 1, ibig sabihin, itong negative x squared ay magiging positive x squared na. Yung positive 13 maging negative 13. And then, yung negative x magiging positive x na. Tapos yung positive 2 magiging negative 2. So, this will be the final answer. Okay? Medyo mahaba yung solution nyo, pero sundan nyo lang yung proseso. Another example. Determine the function p minus f of x. So, we need to subtract p of x minus f of x. So, ano ang dapat nyong tandaan kapag nagsusubtract kayo? Ito naman. Kasi, naalala nyo, sa operation of integers, nag-change tayo ng sign sa subtrahend. Tama ba? So, mas mainam, nalagyan natin, mas maganda, para di kayo, di nyo makaligtaan na i-change yung sign ng subtrahend, lagyan nyo ng open and close parenthesis itong subtrahend nyo. Okay? So, magiging ganito yan. 2x minus 7 Negative times positive x is negative x. Negative times positive 3, that is negative 3. Kasi kung wala itong open and close parenthesis, pag dinugtong nyo agad yan, ang magiging sign ng 3 nyo, positive 3. Okay, doon magkakamali kayo. Ulitin ko, kapag subtraction, you need to put up open and close parenthesis para ma-change natin yung sign ng subtrahend nyo. So therefore, the final answer here is x minus 10 because 2x minus x is x, negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. Okay. So yan yun. Next, division. So kapag division class, lalo na kapag trinomial, ano ang gagawin nyo? Ipa-factor out nyo. So ano kayong factor out ng x squared plus 5x plus 4? That is x plus 1 times x plus 4. Ano naman yung factors ng x squared plus 2x minus 8? X minus 2 times x plus 4. So malinaw na pwede tayo mag-cancel dyan. So cancellation, x plus 4, ika-cancel natin yung x plus 4. So, ang final answer natin is x plus 1 over x plus 2. So, ulitin ko, kapag division, tapos trinomial yung given, ang gagawin natin, mag-factors kayo. Kunin yung factors ng given trinomial para may maka-cancel tayo. Okay? Okay, let's proceed for this. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1. Q of x is equal to x squared minus 2x plus 2. And R of x is equal to 2x plus 1 over x minus 1. So, ito class ay working backward tayo. Magta-trial and error kayo dito. Sa tatlong given na function, so ano kaya ang gagamitin yung operation na ito yung magiging kinalabasan? Ito yung magiging new function niya. Nakuha? Okay. For example, number 6, express the function f sub 1 of x is equal to x squared plus 3 as a sum or difference of the fraction or of the given function above. What fraction to? Of the given function, no? Of the given function above to. Function. So, alin kaya dito? Ano kaya? Na-plus ba natin itong dalawa? O plus ba ito yung f of x saka r of x? Kailangan ganito yung lalabas. So, the solution can involve some trial and error. Add q of x and f of x and check if the answer or the sum is x squared plus 3. So, we try q of x plus f of x. So, try natin i-add. So, copy x squared, no? Negative 2x plus 2x cancel. So, the answer is x squared plus 3. So, therefore, f sub 1 of x is the sum of q of x and f of x. So, sum siya ng q of x saka f of x. Itong x squared plus 3. Ulitin natin, magta-trial and error kayo dyan. Okay? Another example. Express the function f of 2 of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 1 as a sum or difference of the fraction above. Ano kaya dyan? So the answer is, okay, check natin yung q of x minus f of x. So kapag nagsusubtract again tayo, nilalagyan natin ng parenthesis to para mag-change yung sign. So therefore, x squared minus 2x, that is x squared. No, copy x squared rather. Negative 2x minus 2x, that is negative 4. Tapos itong 1, magiging negative 1 na yan. Di ba? Mag-change ang sign ng subtrahend. So positive 2 minus 1 is positive 1. So therefore, f of 2 of x is equal to the difference of q of x and f of x. Okay? Another example. Express the function f of 3 of x is equal to 2x squared plus x all over x minus 1 as a sum or difference of the fraction or the function above. What do you think? Ano kaya? I-add ba natin yung f of x saka r of x kasi may denominator. So doon pa lang may hint na kayo or may clue na kayo ay ito, gagamitin to kasi merong x minus 1 sa baba. So ang isipin mo na lang kung sum ba siya nito ng f of x saka r of x, yan yung maitatry nyo, yung q of x saka r of x or the difference of the two. So anong itatry natin? Because 2x squared plus x all over x minus 1 has an x minus 1 as a denominator, then r of x is equal to 2x plus 1 over it must be one of the function in our solution. So let's try f of x and r of x. So add natin. So ito maka-cancel yan, no? Yung x minus 1. So x minus 1 times 2x plus 1 plus 2x plus 1, that it must be 2x squared minus x minus 1 plus 2x plus 1. So the final answer will be 2x squared kasi negative x plus 2x is positive x. Negative 1 plus positive 1, 0 na yon. So therefore, ito ay sum ng f of x and r of x. Okay. Okay. Oh, more example. Express the function g of 1, that's q of 1, no, as a product of the fractions or the function above. So, alin kaya dyan? Since 2x cubed minus 3x squared, so ang gagamitin nyo, it's either product or quotient ng function given above, no? Then it's possible, so magkakaroon tayo ng cube. So, possible na ang gagamitin is multiplication. So, if we're going to multiply f of x times q of x, no? So, the result will be 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 4x plus x squared minus 2x plus 2. And then combine similar terms, copy 2x cubed. Negative 4x squared plus x squared is negative 3x squared. 4x minus 2x is positive 2x plus 2. So therefore, the g of 1x is the product of f of x and q of x. Okay? Okay, meron pa. Express the function g of 2 of x is equal to x minus 1. So, alin kaya dito? Again, using the trial and error, we came up this one. So, let's try to divide f of x divided by r of x. Tingnan natin. Okay. Since this is division, we need to get the reciprocal of your divisor, no? So, i-reciprocal natin to. So, 2x plus 1 times x minus 1 all over 2x minus 1, kaya maka-cancel to. So, therefore, the answer is x minus 1. And that is the quotient of f of x over r of x. Okay? Let's try some exercises. Let f of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x minus 1. Fine. Okay. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to answer this. You just copy and then try to answer because the answer, so ibibigay na sa sunod. Ibibigay ko naman yung sagot. Okay, let's try to answer na. Okay, sagutin natin yung practice exercises 1. So the answer will be x squared minus 2x minus 1 minus x squared plus 1. So the answer will be 2x squared minus 2x. Okay, yung kanina, pwede nyong gawin yon, no? As your exercises. So ipapakita ko na ang sagot. Ayan, for letter B, the answer is negative 24. So hindi ko na i-discuss. You try to answer, no? On your own. For letter C, the answer is x plus 1 all over 3x plus 1. For letter D, okay, you get the answer for x squared minus 10x plus 4. Pwede nyo naman i-post to para makita nyo yung solution. Okay, for practice exercises number 3, ito yung working backward, yung alamin nyo kung sum or difference ba ng dalawang function, yung another function, no, na come up. Okay, for letter B, that will be the answer. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, for letter C, this will be the answer. And again, okay, thank you. Tapos na. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button to our Walmart channel.